Reverse logistics process in the company Apple. Mm, Apple has managed to implement a successful reverse logic systems. The company makes iPhones and other products and sells the same in various stores around the world. Consumers buy cell phones and enjoy the product until they want to trade it in for another one. When consumers return to the store to purchase the last model, they other consumers discounts in the they turn in their old product. Apple then picks up the old models and takes them to the factories. This process allows them to use older model parts in their new products, helping them to be more environmentally friendly and save money on production cost. According to a Great Pace report, which analyzes and measures what the world's top technology companies are doing to address the environmental impact. Apple received one of the best scores. The report is based on three areas: the measure the responsibility management of the supply chain of companies, including one that evaluates sustainable decisions and the use of recycled materials. Thanks.